Hello everyone, welcome to day 3 AI tools during this Navaratri. Today we will learn a new AI capacity called Khanmigo.ai. This particular web page offers a lot of services to the teachers, which is absolutely free for teachers. So you just can type this URL Khanmigo.ai, and if you can just scroll down, you will see sign up for free for teachers especially. So you will get some of the initial pages. You can start using Khanmigo. So this is our workspace or dashboard. You have so many features. You can generate booklets, you can chunk test, you can generate newsletters, you can generate lesson hook, learning objectives, fun class summary poem. There are so many things this Khanmigo has to offer for us. Today we'll explore one or two or maybe three options. Let's see. Most of the time, every department should convey whatever is happening in the department. Maybe the expectation is maybe every week. It becomes very Herculean task for all the teachers to collect information and set it into a particular format and share with parents or students. So this Khanmigo has an feature called class newsletter. So what you have to do is just click on class newsletter. So what is the name of your class? So let us say the name of my class is, let's say, CSE RNSIT is the name of the class. And what have you done in the past week? If you have done some activity, so I'll just have prepared some of the content to save time. So I'll say this is what I have done in the last week, or department has done in the last week. So what is planned for the next coming week? I would say these things, and then other guidelines for your newsletter. If you have any theme, I would say technical theme. You can have multiple themes based on your interest. You can say start. In no time, the CSE RNSIT newsletter is ready. So it will create a welcome message, and then it will say last week whatever is done. It says we kicked off with the Joy of Coding event and orientation program. That I have given some keywords, but it has created sentences for me. Of course, we can edit all of them. This is an editor. Basically, you can edit the content, and everything is there. And wrapping up with a spark. It also gives you a summary statement at the end. And things to remember, what you are supposed to give some suggestions to the parents. This is not given by us, but it is creating all that, right? So then once you are happy with everything, after formatting and everything, you can just say either you can set print, or you can export using PDF or Word, or you can also save to Google Drive. This is one of the options. Hope you like this option. Okay, next. Let's take up the next, say, let's create some lesson plan. So sometimes we will have the content, and we may fail to plan our lessons, maybe the sequence, or what are the contents where we have to give more importance. These things we might miss out. So let's see what to do. Now you can also search for the content in the Khan Academy. Otherwise, you can actually give your own content. So let's say today we are going to create a lesson plan for stacks and queues using data structure. So now, since it is not available in Khan Academy, so I will give my own content. And it says, what are your learning objectives? Since I have prepared for it, I will just give some of the learning objectives. This can be easily prepared by us. And it is optional. So if you want to add any details or teaching tools or anything, you can give that. So then you can also use Khan Academy content. So format, what is the format you want? You want 5-part format, 4-part format, or 5E stands for engage, explore, explain, or inquiry based, or UDL, whichever format you want to decide, you can decide. So level of details, which level, high level or outline? So high level will give you in-depth content, outline will give you some summary. I'll go for highlight and I'll click on start. Let's see what Khanmigo will provide us. So this has created a lesson plan for us. It's so beautiful it has done. So what it has done for us is, let's wait for a moment. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So now this has created the content. So learning objective we have given. So what are the learning activities? What are the warm-up activities you can plan? Direct instructions, what you're supposed to do in the class, guided practice. So think, pair, share is one of the teaching methodology. Then independent practice. Then it has given also exit tickets. What are the teacher resources? For example, to handle the striving learners or advanced learners, what are the ways you can convey the content. So some definitions it has given, what are the required materials, lesson summary, everything it has given. As usual, you can also edit all these things, then export it into Word or PDF. Hope you like this feature as well. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's say we want to initiate some of the discussions amongst the students. We may run short of some of the topics. Let's explore this now. Grade level, I would say it is college level. Okay, college level. So topic is, again, I'll give the same topic called uh, let's say data structures only. Okay. Given this, I'll say start. Now, this will give me some of the topics where we can initiate some discussion amongst the students on these topics. Instead of directly asking the definition level questions, we can have a platform wherein students can interact with each other, or there can be a debate or a discussion forum. So these are some of the questions which is created by Khanmigo. Hope you like this session. So we will come up with another interesting tool in the next, the fourth episode. So thank you so much. Once again, happy Navratri to all of you.